So how do you get more followers on a LinkedIn company page? So this video, I'm going to explain how you can get more followers on a LinkedIn company page by inviting your LinkedIn connections from your personal profile. So I can get to my company page here, or I can go to the drop-down menu with my avatar, choose the company. So I'm going to choose Bibby Consulting Group. And then you've got to make sure you're an admin of the page. If you're not seeing this admin layout here, then you want to find out who the admin of your company page is and then get them to add you. Okay. And so immediately one of the first things you'll see is you have 100 credits available to invite connections to follow. So 9 of them have been used. Sending each invitation requires 1 credit. When your invite is accepted, the credit is returned each month. Pages are granted invitation credits shared by all admins. So I can invite more connections here. And so these are my personal connections. So a lot of these have been invited. The ones that haven't, whoever they may be, you can see that you can invite them here. So clicking all the ones you want up to 100 if you've got 100 credits left. And then all you do is you press invite. And that will grow your LinkedIn company followers. When they do start following your page, want to make sure you have content that's being posted to add value so they don't just unfollow you. So I suggest with the company page, posting at least once or twice a week would be a good outcome. And that's how you grow your followers quite easily on a LinkedIn company page. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the Nathaniel Bibby YouTube channel.